Hi, my name is Bonnardel. I'm the CEO of AB5 Consulting, and I'm very pleased to be today at Index 2023 to present to you a solution, Gavix, for sorting and segregating nuclear waste. AB5 Consulting is an SME based in the UK and France, offering innovative solutions in an enabled environment. We are winners of multiple awards, amongst which the Clean Energy and Innovation and Excellence Awards. AB5 offers systems engineering, standards and regulations, program and project management, strategy, sustainability, marketing and communication solutions to companies, government bodies, and international organizations. The company also develops its own projects, such as Gavix. We have developed an innovative automated system to sort and segregate low to intermediary level nuclear waste with minimal human intervention, either on site or remotely. It is easy to use and cost effective. The system was conceived to identify, sort and segregate a wide range of different types of waste, such as steel offcuts, aluminium, graphite, and more, making use of off-the-shelf technologies already tested and applied to non-nuclear sector, such as the food safety sector. The system has been devised by AB5 and partners in the UK and Italy with experts in nuclear, physics, artificial intelligence, and IoT. Innovation lies in the system integration dimension, the spinning off of new technologies, and solutions applied to the nuclear sector. The main features of Gavix: productivity and process, thanks to automation and careful sorting. It is scalable and transferable. It detects the type and intensity of the radioactivity present through advanced innovative technology via critical decisions based on threshold and matching criteria, which can be adapted to match the waste acceptance criteria. It determines the composition, size, shape, and surface area of the material thanks to sensors and vision technology. It sorts and segregates the waste by radioactive classification and material type. It autonomously moves the waste from the specific area and packs it into appropriate containers, matching storage and transport regulations and requirements from downstream disposal routes and repository. It collects and analyzes data and images and retains accurate records. We are in particular focusing on 4 challenges, which are explained here: cybersecurity, containers ID, so meaning the ID and the content of the containers, the recycling of radio management, which is critical for now and for the future in long-term immediate storage. The system architecture is presented to you now, and it's an integrated solution that can be combined in an ISO container, easily transferable. With you, the opportunities to work and develop the next stage of the process in order to develop a cost-effective, fully autonomous solution that would help the nuclear sector into moving into a more sustainable waste management of the nuclear sector. Thank you very much. You have here my contact details if you want to carry on the discussion. I look forward to speaking to you, and thank you for listening to me. Have a good day.